Hey guys, it's Hazel. Welcome back to my channel. This is another soft and romantic Valentine's Day look. This look is a lot easier than the other one that I did, and I thought it would be really cool to film for you guys. So first I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and using that to prime my eyelids, and then blending it out with my concealer brush by It Cosmetics. Next up, I'm taking the Individual Shadow Realgar by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using that in my crease as my transition shade, and it's in this palette that holds a bunch of individual eyeshadows. And then after that, I've blended all that out. I'm going to take this shade Rose Gold, and I'm going to wet my brush and apply that all over my lid. Baby, when you're kissing me, baby, when you're loving me, I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Baby, when you come to me. Then I'm using the shade Ballet and putting that in my inner corners, and then I'm going to pop on some Hudabeauty lashes in the style Noelle. Now that our eyes are all done, I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore Primer all over my face and using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 5. I'm then taking my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Creme Brulee and using that to conceal and highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and any other areas I'd like to correct. After we put all that concealer on, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder as always to set everywhere we put the concealer. Then I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit to define and warm up my face. Here I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy Love Blush Trio and applying that on the apples of my cheeks. Using the Sugar Glow Kit for my highlighter today, which is kind of weird because I never usually use this highlighting palette, but I'm using the shades Starburst and Butterscotch for a subtle glow. Finally, for my favorite lip combo at the moment, I'm so happy I discovered this. I'm using the MAC Soar Lip Liner, the NYX Lip Lingerie and Ruffle Trim, and then topping that off with Anastasia Beverly Hills Amber Lip Gloss. It looks stunning! Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys rock whatever makeup look you choose to wear, and I love you.